invitation, and now it's bound to be a heartbreak situation. But I can't help it if I'm helpless every time that I'm with you. You walk in and my straight walks out the door. Say my name and I can't fight it anymore. Oh, I know I should go, but I need your touch just too damn much. And loving you, that isn't really something I should do. Shouldn't wanna spend my time with you, yeah. But I should try to be strong. But baby, you're the right kind of wrong. Yeah, baby, you're the right kind of wrong. Might be a mistake